If you want to organize apps in the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro, here's what you can do. So in this case, on this phone, you can, for example, create a folder, which is a pretty standard thing on Android devices, of course. And if you want to create a folder, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on an app, on the first app that should be added into the folder. And then once you can start dragging it around, you can just drop it on top of another app. So let's say I'm gonna drop on top of this one. And there we go. And we have created a folder. And we can keep adding apps to that folder, of course. So you can group them and set the name for the folder as well. We can switch it up pretty easily. And there we go. Of course, we can change the position of the folder as well, so you can place it pretty much anywhere it should be added. If you want to, you can also just remove apps that you don't use that often, so you don't have, if you don't need them to be in the home screen, then you can press and hold your finger on an app and then just drop it on the remove section. There we go. On the other hand, if there is any app that you wish to have access to from the home screen, then of course we can go to the app drawer, press and hold your finger on the app, and then once you see these options, start moving it in order to jump to the home screen, and then you can drop your app anywhere. Of course, we can change the app and move it. I mean, we can just move it to the next or previous page if you want to. But that is pretty much it. Unfortunately, there is nothing much left that we can do in terms of organizing apps. So you can just change their position in the home screen. You can group them into folders, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.